Let's take a look at the new jobs and quoting feature in SigmaCTL version 22. First, I'll go ahead and grab some parts into my workspace with a WAL file. You could also create these parts using the new CTL part button from the CTL parts list, or import it as a step file, or using our CAD Import Plus tool to import SOLIDWORKS, Inventor, NX, or other CAD files. Now that I've got some parts in my workspace, I'm going to go ahead and click on New Job. This will open up SigmaQUOTE. I'll then select a customer. SigmaQUOTE will then fetch the job's information from the workspace, so all of the parts, their dimensions, their materials, it'll fetch a cut time for these parts, all of that information that's normally there for a quote. If everything looks good, I could send this quote to the customer by switching it to the quote. Or if I want to jump right to an order and make it a job, I can just switch it to an order. I'll then fill in any scheduling information and close. Now that I've got a job actually ordered, I'm going to go ahead and go to my jobs parts list. So this will show any parts that are currently in the order status. So here I can see all of those parts that were ordered. They're in job 3. I can filter this grid based off of material, customer, machine they were programmed on, their due date, how many parts are remaining. All of the fields up here are filterable or sortable. I'll go ahead and select all these parts and load them into my workspace. And then I'll program like normal in CTL. So I'll go ahead and auto task. This will create a nesting task for all of the different profiles. I'll then open up the task parameters. I can change any of my nest settings here. All of the part quantities are pulled from the job itself. And on my stock, I can open up my library stock and load some stock for this part. For now, I'll just nest this task. So we can see layout 1 has nested 8 parts on it, but there's 12 of those layouts repeating. And then layout 2 has just 1 repeat quantity and 4 parts nested on it. So the next thing I'll do is go ahead and post these programs. I can give these programs a unique name or leave the default name. This will go ahead and make programs in the database that we can use downstream for tracking. To see those posted programs, I can open up the program update window. So I can see for that first layout that had 12 repeat quantities, I have 12 individual programs to update. And for that second layout that just had 1 repeat quantity, I have another program here. So these programs can be manually updated in the CTL software, or you can use the new CTL Feedback tool on the shop floor to update those programs at the cutting machine.